salam says, खुदा इस जमात को एक ऐसी कौम बनाना चाहता है जिसके नमूना से लोगों को खुदा याद आवे. Please, no naras. Sir, no naras. This is something for us to internalize. Are we those people? If we are, go ahead, raise a slogan. Go ahead. If you think that people look at you and they think of God, go ahead. I can't. That's a huge burden. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको देख के लोगों को खुदा याद आ जाता है तो लगाइए नारे. There is a time and place for everything, my dear brothers and sisters. There's a time and place for reflection. Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam, I say this with utmost humility as well. Did Masih Maud alayhi salam also give a guarantee that you put a label of Ahmadi and you're good to go? It doesn't work that way. No, sir. Allah has spread His seed all over the world. وَآخَرِينَ مِنْهُمْ لَمَّا يَلْحَقُوا بِهِمْ. That's about you. That's about us. That's how blessed we are. For a second, think about it. We are mentioned in Holy Quran. We are not worthy of anything. Not that we deserve it. It's just Allah's Sattari, just His shroud, just His cover. He knows the depths of our hearts, but yet He mentions you in Holy Quran. But that comes with a responsibility, my dear brothers and sisters. The seed is not going to grow because some government big shot is going to help us. We are not dependent on them. We want to spread the message of true Islam. True, that's true. But we don't look for them for help. And that's not even a work for us. If you really think about it, making Ahmadiyyat successful is not the primary job given to us. Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam says, खुदा इस जमात को एक ऐसी कौम बनाना चाहता है जिसके नमूना से लोगों को खुदा याद आवे. Please, no naras. Sir, no naras. This is something for us to internalize. Are we those people? If we are, go ahead, raise a slogan. Go ahead. If you think that people look at you and they think of God, go ahead. I can't. That's a huge burden. अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको देख के लोगों को खुदा याद आ जाता है तो लगाइए नारे. There is a time and place for everything, my dear brothers and sisters. There's a time and place for reflection. Masih Maud alayhi salatu wassalam, I say this with utmost humility because I'm nobody. But Hazrat Masih Maud alayhi salam says, God wants to make this movement of such people who remind others of Allah. And when that happens, you don't have to make Jalsa speeches. It doesn't work that way. Allah uncovers it as well. Yesterday, at this Jalsa,